At trial, if I make an objection and the judge rules in my favor, is it ever appropriate for me to now thank the judge for his ruling? You want to know the answer? Come join me as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. Today you're going to hear the birds chirping. It's a gorgeous day today here in Great Neck. I've even got a woodpecker who's pecking away at a tree you may hear during the course of the video. So now, to answer the question, is it ever appropriate? No, it's not appropriate. When a judge makes a ruling, I don't go ahead and say, "Judge, thank you so much for your ruling. That was so wonderful, very appropriate." Likewise, the defense attorney doesn't thank the judge either if the judge rules in his favor on an objection. The judge makes rulings of law. The judge determines what's appropriate and what's not. Maybe a question is not appropriate that one attorney is objected to. Maybe a piece of evidence that somebody wants to introduce is not appropriate. And now, whoever gets the favor of the judge for that ruling, you don't turn around and say, "Judge, thank you so much for that ruling. It's really appreciated." No, besides, the jury would look at us like we were crazy. The reality is, the judge makes decisions on issues of law. Once the judge has ruled, either for or against us, we simply move on to the next question, to the next witness, to the next thing in the trial. We don't turn around and thank the judge every time he rules for or against us. "Thank you so much, Judge, thank you." Otherwise, the attorneys would be doing this throughout the whole trial, and it would look totally bizarre. It's just not done. Instead, you accept the judge's decision, you then move on. If the attorney disagrees with the judge's decision, you might ask the judge to reconsider and have a legal discussion off to the side. That's known as a sidebar. Or the judge may excuse the jury and now have legal argument in the courtroom where the court reporter is taking down all the arguments. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share it with you just to give you a little insight and a little inside view into what goes on during the course of a trial involving civil matters such as accident cases, medical malpractice cases, and even wrongful death cases here in New York. You know, I realize you've got questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit and you've got legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, there's something I do every single day and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a great day.